kind of crazy money raid.
I'm being told it's a man and his dog throwing cash out of the blimp.
And I hope this works. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to start dropping these.
Crowd is storming the field. This is pandemonium. Have you ever seen anything like this?
Oh, this is the old trying to make amends for spending $150,000 a week in misappropriated welfare funds play.
I don't care what it is. That guy's ruining a perfectly good game of football. Madden to Fox Security.
Go ahead.
Take him down.
Yes, sir.
How was your shower?